What happens when you give your body nothing but nature? Well, that might sound like a funny question. Most people think that all kinds of things are natural for the body, but are they really? If you lived in the tropics, and we're tropical animals because we could only be in our birthday costumes 24/7 in the tropics. We use clothing and buildings and heating systems to maintain tropical temperatures all the time. If you lived in the tropics, would you be eating raw broccoli when you had mangoes and papayas and oranges and pineapples and bananas all the time? Probably not. When we meet all of our body's needs the way that nature intended, we slow down the aging process and actually reverse aging. We function at a much higher level with much more energy and much more mental clarity. We live longer and are much healthier.